In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off video automatically before meeting on Zoom. If you'd like your camera to stay off by default when a meeting starts, and you want participants to join with their cameras off too, you can set that up once and have it apply to all future meetings you host. This is helpful for privacy, for saving bandwidth, and for giving everyone a moment to settle in before turning their cameras on. Start from your Zoom account in a web browser. On the left side of the page, open My Account. This takes you to your personal profile and all the controls that affect how your meetings behave. Next, go into Settings. This area holds the global preferences that apply across your Zoom experience, including audio, video, and scheduling defaults. Don't worry, anything you change here can be adjusted later if needed. Inside Settings, look for the section called Schedule Meeting. This is where you control what happens automatically at the start of your meetings. It governs the default options for meetings you host or schedule going forward. Find the toggle for Host Video and turn it off. With this off, your camera will start disabled when you join as the host. You can still turn your camera on at any time during a meeting. This setting just prevents it from coming on automatically at the start. This is especially useful if you're joining from a new location or want to do a quick audio check before appearing on screen. Right below that, locate participants' video and turn it off as well. This means attendees will join with their cameras off by default when you host a meeting. It's a considerate default that helps avoid accidental on-camera moments and reduces distractions at the beginning. Participants can still enable their video individually whenever they're ready. There's no separate Save button here. These toggles update immediately, so once you've turned them off, the change is in effect. Keep in mind that these are default settings. They apply to meetings you host from now on. Meetings scheduled previously may keep their original options unless you edit them. If you're part of an organization and see a lock icon next to a setting, that means an admin has enforced it. Reach out to your administrator if you need an exception. That's it. By opening My Account, going into Settings, selecting Schedule Meeting, and turning off both host video and participants video, you've set Zoom to start meetings with cameras off automatically. This gives you control, reduces surprises, and creates a smoother, more professional start to every meeting.